Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16, and let me show you how to activate and use shake to undo feature here. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select accessibility, and now click on touch. And here you will notice shake to undo. So if you wish to activate this feature, just click on the switcher and let's check how it works. So let's open, for example, new message. You can obviously use it on mail, notes, or in any other area. Let's input some text. And if you wish to remove something, all you have to do with this feature is to shake your phone like this. And as you can see now, you can undo typing, just tap on undo. And as you can see, the latest text have been removed. So this is it. This is how you can turn it on and use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.